So today I want to show you how to crochet this little tiny star. I will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. All I've used is some cotton yarn in a fine weight 2 and a crochet hook of 2.5 millimeter. Let's begin. We begin with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your finger 3 times, push in and grab the last one, pull through, and then secure the yarn. Now do 1 single crochet into the ring. Then do a double crochet, the yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, and do a double crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then another double crochet into the ring. And that's the first star point. We want to make 5 in total, so repeat. First a single crochet, then a double crochet, then chain 2, then a double crochet, and that's the next one. Repeat this process until you have 5 points. I now have my 5 points and I finished on a double crochet. Now I want to pull my star together, so I want to pull the magic ring together. So I pull this yarn just a bit, just to see which one moves. And then I grab the one that moves, pull it together. And then the gap closes at the middle. And then I pull this one, just to finish it up. Then I got the yarn, pull this one through. And then I take my tapestry needle. And then I find the single crochet I started the whole thing with, this one. Push my hook, my needle into this. And then I pull. And then I have my little star. Then I can tie it on the back side and we're done. So, I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.